Yeah, definitely concerned about some at least isolated high water concerns tonight and through tomorrow morning, especially in some of those poor drainage areas. So just want to be very careful tonight and into tomorrow morning if you're going to be out and about. Want to make sure you're driving slow, increasing your following distance, and giving yourself some extra time too with some of the heavier rain we're going to be dealing with. So looking at the drought monitor here, again, we were talking about this yesterday. Moderately dry conditions have really taken over the Carolinas here over the last couple of months. And with that very dry, hard ground, there's nothing to really soak up this rain. So these heavier downpours, as they come down, they just run straight off because first off, during this time of year, we've got dormant vegetation. So there's nothing that's really soaking this rain up. And you also have a lot of hard ground just due to the very dry soil. So you get a lot of runoff, and some of that runoff can be a little excessive, right? And it can lead into some of these smaller creeks, rivers, and streams. And that can lead to a quick rise in some of those smaller bodies of water. So just be very careful in some of the poor drainage areas. If you live near a stream, creek, or a smaller river that floods easily, definitely want to keep an eye on it, especially as we go into tonight and through early tomorrow morning. So just be careful out there on the morning commute. So looking at some of the rainfall totals here that we could see tonight and also through the first half of tomorrow, the models have been trending most of the rain a little bit further north and along of I-85. So towards Lincolnton, Morganton, Hickory, Statesville, that's where we could likely see 2 inches of rainfall, if not higher amounts up towards the foothills. So definitely something to track there. Now, as you get towards Charlotte, and as you get further east, 1 to 2 inches of rainfall, but still with some of those heavier totals, we can see some isolated higher amounts. Something else to note, this is likely the heaviest rain we have seen since Helene up in the mountains. So some of those river channels, smaller creeks, they've kind of been altered since that flood. So just pay attention to where some of this water might go tomorrow, because of some of those river channels being altered with that flood, could have some water going in places you're not usually used to seeing up in the mountains. So definitely want to be safe up there with this heavier rain, Brian.